Good morning, people, and welcome to our Trading Up series. In this series, we plan to turn this old buggy
into a project car.
But backstory: Harry come to me and said, "I want to build a project car," and I said, "Harry, I'm not paying for it. I'll tell you what I'll do for you. I'll give you this old buggy, which is a road registered buggy, and we'll fix it up, sell it, and trade up." And Harry said,
"Challenge accepted."
So here we go.
Okay, officially this is part 2 of the Buggy refix series, and today we're going to be going through the gearbox and all them bits, so I'll take you over to there now.
It looks like someone's already got a go at it, and it's the nuts a bit chewed, so we'll see how it comes off.
It'll be 19. I remember from last time.
Get the breaker bar out the fourth drawer down.
Which way? Ready?
Yeah. Oh, you fucking that tail not come off.
No, it just popped off. We can't get this rounded, so.
Oh shit.
No, it's not even me, it's just popping off, you know.
Is it the right way?
Yeah, lefty loosey goes like that, doesn't it?
No, but it's clutch sometimes the opposite sides.
No, I saw people were doing this, but they were using a bloody impact.
Yeah.
We could use that. Would that not be easier?
Not necessarily. No. Yeah, just trim it off.
Watch it, it's peeling off the top. You can see. It's only issues.
Where's the manual?
For the buggy.
Yeah.
It's inside. What's happening?
Have a quick look. See what it is, what size.
Can you read Chinese?
Clutch carrier.
Basically, right now, Dad is he's trying to learn Chinese, so he can figure out what you're trying to figure out.
Just make sure it's a normal thread knot.
He's trying to make sure it's a normal thread knot, because at the moment we've had to go with this, and as you might have seen, it's just popping off, and we do not want to round it off.
It's already round off.
Oh, it's already basically round off.
Oh fuck.
One of them's actually meant to be on that side as well.
Good. Cheap crap. That's the Allen key, Harry.
How much heat do you think's needed?
I'm not exactly measuring it.
You've just seen, my dad has applied a lot of heat, so we're going to see if this works. That's no problem.
It felt like it was moving it.
Because I also saw the gearbox actually lift.
Yeah.
Oh, you broke it. It's all broke again.
It went there, didn't it?
Yeah.
Hey.
I think it worked.
Go again.
Ready?
Oh, then you pull it into the bar.
Hmm?
Go around one. Hold them there. Hold them there.
Oh, it's working. I think that just worked.
Put the apply the impact right now. Impact. Yeah. Smart. You go around that side.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whee! We got it off!
Watch out, that's spring loaded. Spring loaded.
Extremely happy with that. So now, yeah, we officially got it off, and now we're going to show you the inside. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking that's a problem.
Oh, where's that came from?
Yeah?
That came from there.
Snapped off there.
So we have a slight idea that this might be the issue. Oh, we've just done that.
No, we haven't done it. It's probably been getting stuck in it.
All right. So.
Where's the inside of the casing?
So look. All pretty clean inside, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'll put that in the box. I'll forget that box. So that's that. Right. Okay.
So, need a new one of them. Take that from one for you. This one, get them.
There we go. With brute force and strength, it's off. How's it looking? Yeah, you can see where the issues were.
Yeah. When that spins, that goes in, pushes them out.
Well, that's number 3.
That's number 3 broke.
3 out of 3 broke now, which is probably just because of old age, I assume.
So we'll look at the numbers, see if we can replace them. If not, we have to buy a full unit.
Happens, eh? Right. So as my dad has just explained while ripping it off the belt with brute force, we're either going to be able to find 3 of these, or we're going to have to buy a whole new clutch. So, one of these.